Okay.
Yeah.
I can't.
Brody.
What do you have on your shirt?
What's on your shirt, buddy?
What's on your shirt?
A shark.
A shark.
And a beach ball too.
And a beach ball, too.
What's on your pants?
Classroom socks too.
Cool.
Is that shirt too short for you?
No, it's just right.
It's just right, huh?
Yeah, it's like another one. It's like this one.
What's on that one?
It says Kung Fu Panda too.
Kung Fu Panda? What are they? Jammies?
Yes.
Who got you those
It says
jam?
Kung Fu Panda too.
Who got you those jammies?
My dad did.
Did you tell? Oh, do you need to go pee?
No,
I think you do.
I don't want to.
You just went pee.
I said Mickey.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my lesson trick.
You're doing your what?
A trick.
You have trick?
Yeah.
What kind of trick?
My soft one.
Your shark trick?
Yeah. That's do master trick.
Those are cool tricks, Brody.
Yeah. And then,
Sharks do that underwater?
yes.
That's how they... Why do they do that?
But just do that.
Why?
They play baseball.
They do?
And they do master trick.
What do sharks eat?
I don't know. Fish.
They eat fish?
Yeah.
And what else?
I don't know. Doggies.
They eat doggies?
Yeah.
And what else?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Shark's gonna eat me?
Yeah.
Aww.
I got that's push animals. Yeah.
Does that protect you from the sharks?
Yeah.
Good.
And my coffee panda one too.
Good.
What is Kung Fu Panda?
Dog trick.
Your shark trick?
The dog wrestling trick.
What does the Kung Fu Panda do?
Oh. Mean.
Yeah, I mean him.
Yeah. Dogs eat Kung Fu Panda.
They do?
Yeah.
Does he fight them?
Yes. He fight like me.
How do you fight?
I fight like Kung Fu Panda.
Show me some moves. Show me some Kung Fu.
Can you punch and kick?
I thought you were a superhero. Good. What about punch?
Always punch.
How?
Like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
What about kick?
You need to like a bow.
Oh, okay. What about stretching?
Oh, I stretch like this.
And how else?
That's pretty good, buddy.
And can you sing me a song?
But like something to what?
Okay, go for it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I know you where you are. At the sun, like a diamond in the sky. The twinkle, twinkle, little star, I know you where you are.
Yay!
Yay!
All right.
Can you sing me Family Guy? It seems today.
Go behind seat.
Okay.
I tried.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are you?
Am I here?
Okay. I see. What am I supposed to do?
Get up and fight it.
No. Are you a little shark?
Yeah.
Where are you?
But I'm in my big eye.
A big shark.
How hard is it?
Okay, bye. Where's Brody?
You need to count.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Go!